The electric pressure washer, 4300 PSI, features a powerful 1800-watt motor that can generate up to 4,300 pounds per square inch and 2.8 gallons per minute of maximum cleaning power, making it perfect for cleaning cars, bicycles, fences, sidewalks, and more. This pressure washer includes 5 Quick-Connect nozzles, each designed for a specific task, from dissolving stubborn substances to gentle cleaning of fragile surfaces, and even a foam cannon for car washing. Safety is a priority with this pressure washer, featuring a total stop system that automatically shuts off the motor when the trigger is released, saving energy and prolonging the pump's life. The lightweight design of this washer makes it portable and easy to move around, and it also includes a 25-foot hose for superior reach. The electric pressure washer, 4300 PSI, offers professional customer service and is equipped with safety features like an automatic total stop system and a gun trigger safety lock. Sold by Hongdong, this pressure washer is priced at $170.99 and has received an average review score of 4.5 from 61 reviews, indicating a high level of customer satisfaction.